overall fit, pinagkatiwalaan ka. Then, ano lang yung pakiramdam?
Syempre, very happy. Kasi hindi ko din naman ina-expect na parang top 4 makakapasok ako. But I'm really excited to play with the team. I'm very excited. Since yun nga, parang mostly half of the team naging teammates ko na rin.
Rian, of course, paakyat pa lang yung laro ng next leg. Siguro para sa'yo, how are you taking that challenge of helping this team improve even more sa PB?
Actually, I can see like a lot of like improvements din sa team na to. Siyempre, bago din yung team eh. Mga ilang years pa lang din sila. But I'm really excited na matutunan din yung bagong system. And of course, parang mabigay ko rin kung ano yung natutunan ko kay Coach Sergio.
Rian, Brazilian coach in college, Italian coach at pro. So, gano'n kahalaga rin sa development mo yung gano'ng exposure into foreign coaches and their style of play?
Siyempre, very honored ako na maging coach ko sila, Coach Torre, sila Coach Sergio. Kasi very different talaga siya. Yung mga system nila, how they coach, ganyan. And for me, this is another opportunity na mas mag-improve pa yung skills ko.